What's up YouTube? Let's talk about the Google Pixel 6 Pro. There's a first ever hands-on video of the Pixel 6 and a few live images. There's also a new interesting feature that's coming to the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. During the launch of the Pixel 5a, Google showed off a new interesting feature that will debut on the Pixel 6. At the time, they didn't say what the feature was going to be called, but according to an XDA developer source who already has the Pixel 6, Google is going to call this feature Live Translate. And it's a combination of Google Lens, Translate, Assistant, and Live Caption into one software, Live Translate. It's going to be able to generate live translated captions of what you're watching or listening to into the language of your choice. It's also going to be able to translate messages, text detected in the camera viewfinder, and act as an interpreter in real time. It's going to be able to do all this locally with or without internet connection. And that's possible because Google has a plethora of language data at its disposal. And when you combine that with Google's efficient software and its powerful tensor chip, it's going to be a pretty easy task for the phone. Speaking of chips, Google is handing out chips to people in Japan. No, not processor chips, custom edible chips. They're doing it to increase awareness for the Pixel 6 devices and also to flex their marketing budget, of which they have a really big one this time, almost as big as Samsung's. And we're seeing the result of the bigger budget in Pixel 6 posters that are already up in multiple cities. Now, the first ever hands-on video of the Pixel 6 Pro was revealed yesterday. It's a really short video that shows the boot up screen and the back of the device. And like I said before, that Cyclops camera frame looks really good. As for that logo on the back, we've seen it on previously leaked Pixel devices that were still in production. So this is most likely a production unit that got out. We also got a few pictures to go with the video. So here's the Pixel 6 Pro beside the Pixel 5 and a picture of the phone on the home screen of CPU-Z, which further confirms the leaks regarding the details of the tensor chip. It shows the 224 configuration, that is 2 Cortex-X1 prime cores clocked at 2.8 GHz, 2 Cortex-A76 high-performance cores clocked at 2.25 GHz, and 4 Cortex-A55 power efficiency cores clocked at 1.8 GHz. It also confirms the GPU to be the Mali G78. The tensor chip is gonna have its own ISP designed by Google for better image processing and will use its own AI chip, which should contribute to the performance of Live Translate. And it's also gonna be one of the best in the industry because Google is well known for artificial intelligence. Hopefully, we're gonna get more leaks from the guy with the Pixel 6 Pro. So definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss it. That's all for me in this video. Thanks for watching guys. See you in the next one.